Hi everyone! Today I'll guide you through the process of creating a histogram in Excel using turntable data collected from file labs. Follow these steps carefully to visualize your data effectively. First, collate your turntable data from the file labs website. Make sure you gather all the necessary information you'll need for your analysis. Open an Excel spreadsheet and create column headers labeled turntable number, source type, absorber type, and count. These headers will help organize your data clearly. Enter the data you extracted from file labs under the appropriate columns. Double check that all numbers and labels are correctly entered. Click and drag to highlight all the data you want to include in your histogram. Make sure to include the column headers. Go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. This is where you can create charts and graphs. Within the Insert tab, find the Histogram tile. Click on it to see the available options. Click on the first histogram style that appears. Excel will automatically generate a histogram based on your selected data. Once the histogram appears, the toolbar will switch to chart design automatically. This allows you to customize your chart. Click on Chart Title at the top of the histogram. Rename it to something descriptive, for example, Histogram of Counts versus Source. From the Chart Design tab, click Add Chart Element. This is where you can add axis titles, labels, and other chart features. From the Add Chart Element tab, select Axis Titles and then Primary Horizontal. Choose a meaningful name for the horizontal axis, such as Sources. Next, select Primary Vertical and give the vertical axis a name like Count. And that's it! You now have a fully labelled histogram in Excel that clearly shows the distribution of counts versus sources. You can further customize colours, fonts, and styles to improve readability. Thanks for watching. Bye!